Alright guys, so I had to delete that last one I had just made because this guy was just sitting in his truck. Like, I don't know what he was doing and it really scared me. But look at my hair! I've scratched it late last night. I know it was like really late. It was like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, but I just felt like it. And this morning I was like, great, my hair is gonna look like a rat's nest. It didn't, it looks really pretty. I don't know if you could tell, but the wind's blowing really hard. Looks even better with the cowboy hat on. Look at this. Ah! Look at it! Ah! Oh, I need to snap a picture right here. It looks so good. I'm afraid to keep my cowboy hat on because I'm afraid it's going to blow away because we had went to Sam's Club earlier today. And I had went out to get Daddy's cup out of the truck and my hat blew off and I chased it halfway across the yard. So yeah, so I'm kind of just holding on to it right now. Here it comes, the big gust. I'm about ready to sit up my speaker so I can listen to some music while I'm walking around. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. Oh, big gust. So yeah, that's my life right now. I don't know where to hang my hat where it won't fly because I'm afraid to keep it on because I'm afraid it's gonna like blow away, but at the same time I don't want to take it off. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Had to swap hands, I'm sorry. Oh, big gust, here it comes. Ah! I'm kind of wearing shorts right now and they don't really look good in these cowboy boots, so I'm just gonna take my cowboy boots off. Hold on, I'm gonna sit something down, hold on. I'm just gonna go barefoot right here. I'm so sorry, you guys. Ah, okay. Alright, that's better, alright. So yeah, I'm kind of previously going barefoot right now. I keep sitting you on top of my hat, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm gonna see if my boots will hold my hat down just real quick so I can set like this speaker up. Hold on. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna hold it down. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't ever zip my bag. Whoopsies. I could have lost some stuff, including my debit card. That would have been really bad. All right. Look at this wind, dude. It's just crazy. I'm just in the door. Telling me I've never even heard before. I don't know that type of girl. I know what your name. No, never get away. All right, my speaker's connected. Hold on. Okay. All right. Yeah, I can really hear that wind roar now. Just listen. Ow! All right, so I figured while I've got you online that I'd do the one dance moves you wanted me to do. I just got to get to the song. Hold on. I was going to live stream, but apparently YouTube doesn't want me live streaming, so there's that. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Where? There it is. All right. So I'm gonna sit you down. I don't know if you can see. I don't know how much of it you can see, but we're gonna try this, okay? That's terrible. You can't even see my feet. Not that it don't matter. As long as you can see me, right? That's good.
Work like a dog on Friday. Gonna check clock, cash that check. Raise a little hell on Sunday. About that time. There's a party bag in the woods tonight. Heard through the redneck grapevine. Got a keg of beer and a bunch of girls. Show 'em it's gonna be a good time. It's a small town. Slow down. It's time to talk. Let them tailgates down and then it's on and out. Right into the morning light. Crank that country up loud. It's a small town throwdown. Hey.
Oh man.
We're about to throw it down, son. Now we got fearful daisy boots. Round here we know how to grow up. Rockin' little body and long tan legs. Sure ain't scared to show 'em now. gates down, and man, it's on tonight, right into the morning light. Crank that country up loud. Crank it up. It's a small town throwdown. It's a small town throwdown. It's time to tumble. Let them tailgates down, and man, it's on tonight. It's out in the morning light. Crank that country up loud. It's a small town throwdown. Hey. It's a small town throwdown. Yes, Coach. That's right, big deal. Sure.
I can never land that part because it's so freaking hard. Oh, those are my dance moves, y'all. I don't think y'all can see me. Can y'all see me? Not well?
I've been a walking heartache. I've made a mess of me.
Let's shoot that way.
The person that I've been lately
I don't know.
ain't who I wanna be, but you stay here right beside me and watch as the storm blows through, and I need you. 'Cause God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. And for when I think I lost my way, there are words here left to say it's true. God gave me you.
Oh, I sounded like I was like harmonizing with him, man. That was awesome. Y'all can't hear me over the wind. I'm so sorry.
There's more here than what we're seeing. A divine conspiracy.
Willie,
You, an angel.
give me a hug, my big baby boy. Come on. Come on. Ew, you're all wet. Ew, you're all wet. Don't even think about it. Come here, honey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ow. Ow.
God gave me you for the ups and downs.
You're so wet, Willie. You're so wet, Willie. Oh, no, no. No, no, Willie. Oh, you wet dog all over my phone. You jerk. Oh, that was a wet Willie. Oh, man. Well, I don't know if you can see my dance moves or not, but they're there. Willie just splashed me with water. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because this wind's like really, really, really loud.
'Cause God gave me
But,
you for the ups and downs.
What was I going to talk about?
God
I don't even remember what I was going to say, but they're there. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. I don't really feel like redoing them. Look at this. It's crazy. The trees, man. It's just crazy. All right, anyway, I'm going to go let this upload. Bye, guys.